Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Burlington, and they are running out of stock of a lot of things, but I thought I would show you what they had in their girls section. They have this super cute Weekend Vibe t-shirt, and it's on clearance. I have this cute little tank top short set. They have this cute little pink top. I love cold shoulder top. A little polo shirt. This little black sparkly top that looks kind of like it'd be for Christmas, and it's not on clearance. So then they have this super cute little shirt from the Gap, and it has a little puppy on it. A little tank top. And this one's super cute. Another Weekend Vibes shirt, another Love shirt. And then they have this Adidas lightweight hoodie, a Tommy Hilfiger, a cute little black denim jacket. I love this Puma, and this little mustard color sweater, another Tommy Hilfiger, and like this Adidas jacket, and another Adidas lightweight hoodie. This one says Queen Bee. It has a LOL doll on it, and it's just $8. They have a lot of those weekend shirts and a lot of those Tommy Hilfigers. And then they have this one, and then on the other side they have a lot of Easter dresses, and they're super pretty. I love this one with the pearls around the waistband. And this one has like bling around the waistband. And then these racks used to be filled, and now they're empty. I guess they sold so much during their sale when they were have extra 50% off, extra 25% off, that they ran out of new merchandise. And then they have coats over here on clearance. So now's a good time to get your winter coat and then just store it away. Look at that. All those empty racks. It did make for a good shopping experience because nobody was here, but then of course there's nothing to shop for. I love these little sparkly shoes. And these little pink Skechers are adorable, and they're on clearance for $17. These little Michael Kors are still here. I just think little kids' Michael Kors shoes are so cute. These Juicy Couture shoes have been here a while. I remember those from before the store shut down. And then on this back wall they have girls' accessories. So they have little backpacks and socks and little lunch bags for $7. This cute little sunglasses and wristlet set. So I hope you like seeing what was new at Burlington. I'm sure to go back. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.